Well, this is new. Hello, how are we? It's the morning. Well, hey, what better way to start a morning than blueberry muffins? It's basically muffins for breakfast, which I love. These ones are vegan because I am, in fact, a member of the vegans. It's really simple to make as well. So, let's go. You're gonna need bananas. Always make sure you recycle your food because that's important. I'm then just gonna mash them. What you're after is like really liquidy banana. I forgot to preheat the oven. Preheat the oven for 180 degrees. It should look like that, and that's great. We're then gonna take this thing. It's known as flaxseed. It's basically ground up linseeds, and we're gonna use it as an egg. So it's about 5 tablespoons with about double the amount of water, and that will sit for a bit, at which point we then add the ingredients. Brown sugar, self-raising flour. Because it's self-raising, we don't need baking powder, baking soda, or any kind of contraption to make it rise up. A little bit of vanilla, and finally vegan butter. So we're gonna leave this bit to the side for something else. And then this is gonna get melted. So while that's melting, let me give you a fact about butter. I don't know any. That's it. The buzz done in the microwave. Technology. The microwave. So we're just gonna pop that in. Now you might be fearful for the amount of butter I put in. However, you divide this by 12, which is the amount we're gonna be putting in. That equals about, I can't math, but it's whatever's on the screen. So you're good. We'll add in this thing, which is now dried up like my skin on a holiday. We're then gonna mix it. Oh, lovely. Now the fruit that's mentioned in the title, blueberries. You may have baked with blueberries before, and sometimes they sink right to the bottom of the cake and you end up really sad. Probably playing sad music right now. But I have a solution. You get a little bit of flour, and then you just mix it all in, which is essentially flour coating them. They're then gonna sit in the batter. They're gonna go, oh, what's happening? And the flour's gonna go and they're gonna stay nicely in the cake. These then go in, but save a little bit for the top. We now have muffin cam. Hello, people. This is more of a treat, if you will. I have a lot more healthier stuff on my Instagram pages and whatnot, but this is like the go-to if you want a muffin. I'm then spooning this into here. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! The Muffin Man! By the way, don't get it twisted. It looks like I've got a professional film crew. It's just me and my mate Mitchell. Say hi. Hello. And we're left with this. And you might be thinking, we're done. No.
I would never release you.
You've been in them bougie cafes around in Hackney where they've got like the little crumble topping and the muffins. I'm gonna do it. Remember the butter from earlier? Some more flour. Bare the sugar. Mix those up. Should have really done it with a mixer. Oh look, it's me with the mixer. Crumble little bits on, like so. And finally, the blueberries from earlier, just pop one on top for good luck. As a great man once said, it's time to go in the oven for about 15 minutes. Hello. Done. While we're waiting, let me tell you the important reasons why I went vegan. Now, veganism is one of the highly... You're probably not here for that, but the muffins are done. And they're done. I'm gonna use this camera just so you can see the muffin. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. And it's only right we give them a try. This is what it looks like naked. Gosh, stunning. That's stunning. Oh, for... Oh, and also, because I'm nice, I've written down the recipe and you can get it full. I've written the whole recipe on my website, so you can go down into the link in bio. That's right down here or up here, wherever you're looking on the internet, and get the ingredients and the method. Oh, if you did enjoy this video, subscribe, because there's more videos coming weekly. I upload every Thursday. Goodbye.